Hey guys, welcome to today's Battle of the Foundations. Well, if you guys caught my haul last Tuesday, you would have seen me talk about the new Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. So I want to try this out finally with you guys, and let me tell you a little bit about it. This comes in 50 shades, and what's cool about that is they actually have both the shade and then also your undertone listed in the name. So out of the 50 shades that they have, that's going to help you actually find the correct shade. So for example, I have mine in 20 CP. So C stands for cool, P stands for pink, for the pink undertones. So they have the warm undertones, the neutrals, all of those things for you. This is what the bottle looks like, and I think it's just stunning. It is plastic. But I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but it has like this indentation that's been like cut out of it there. So that's really unique. It's got a beautiful gold cap on it with the initials Urban Decay. It's very lightweight, so if this would have been glass, it would have been a lot heavier. And you do have a pump on it as well. So I'll be using that. As always, I will be using my sponge on one side and my flat top kabuki brush on the other. And out of my haul, I had so many other things I wanted to try out. So I'm also going to throw a few things in that I got in the haul so you can see those as well. Now, I always go in with my under eye color correcting, and I use the Benefit Boing Brightening Concealer. I just found out they discontinued this, and I'm glad I did get this last month, so it'll last me a while, but I'm going to have to find something to replace it. I'm going to go in today. This is by Makeup Revolution. It's their cushion color correcting product. I don't know what else to say. This is in the color orange. I didn't see this in peach. It's very unique. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks like it's going to be a little scary for me. So inside the cap is where the product is, and then you have this sponge, which looks very saturated. So I'm going to go in very lightly. I'm going to try my sponge and see how that works, and if not, I've got a brush handy that I can use as well. So I'm just going to tap that in. Ooh, holy cow. It's actually pretty dry feeling, and I really moisturized my skin good today. Okay, it's blending out okay. Just feel that's really dark. So we better hope that this foundation is a one that covers very well, because it's got to cover that. If you're going to be a zombie for Halloween this year, go ahead and get this. Okay, this also has like a spring in it. I don't know if you can see that, but it, oops, I just lodged it in there, but it just kind of springs in, so that's pretty cool. We'll find out soon how well this works out. Now, also in my haul, I had picked up the brand new Makeup Revolution, and it was their Conceal or something Hydrate foundation, and then I also got their Conceal and Hydrate concealer. So I'm going to be using this today, and I will be doing a Battle of the Foundations soon on the foundation, but I wanted to try this out. Now, normally in their products, I get the, because everything's numbered the same. So concealers start with a C, foundations start with an F. That way you know what your color choices are. So I've always gone with the F4 in foundation, and then also the C4 in concealer. However, this time I wanted to go a little bit lighter. Now, again, this is the older one, which they still have. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. And then they also have this wonderful, this is their Makeup Revolution. It's the Fast Base Foundation Stick. I love this one. It's so good. It's so creamy. It blends out like a dream. I love both of these a lot. The only thing I didn't care for this, That's the sound the bottle makes. So, and it has the doe foot applicator. Okay, let's find this out. And I'll tell you, this feels very cooling under my eyes. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm speechless for a moment. Wow. Oh, now I'm really anxious to try the foundation for this too. Oh, that's so pretty, you guys. Very pretty. Ooh, I like. Okay, let's try this foundation. Again, I got the color 20 CP. Let me tell you a little bit about it before we go ahead and apply it. So I'm going to read their information here. So this is a vegan buildable medium coverage liquid foundation with a real skin matte finish that lasts up to 24 hours. Coverage again is medium, it's matte, formulation is liquid, it's good for normal dry combination and oily skin, and this product is vegan and cruelty free. So it did say on the bottle, yeah, also on here that it lasts up to 24 hours, but on the actual packaging that came with it, it also said that it is, let's read the side in English, that it does not transfer, that it minimizes the appearance of pores, it is a straight, stay true color, and it's also waterproof. So I'm not planning on going swimming anywhere today, so I won't be able to put that to the test. All I'm doing is going grocery shopping after this. I've been doing things around the house all day, and it's actually almost 5 o'clock. Okay, let's try this. So I'll do sponge first, get that on this side of the face. I'm just going to pump it out. So that is the color 20 CP. Kind of thin. And just like that concealer was, it was very cooling on my skin. Okay, a little bit goes a long way. So I kind of got a little too much, I think. Take that down my neck. This is pretty darn glowy for a matte foundation. Wouldn't you agree? Maybe once it dries down. It's blending out really nice. Okay, so that's one side with the sponge, and this is with nothing. This time I'm going to go in with my finger. Oops, too much up there. And go in with the brush. So the brush side is still showing a lot of my pigmentation and things like that, whereas the sponge side appears to be thicker looking, more like cakey. So let me take my sponge and get the side that doesn't have any product on it and see if I can lift some of that up. Alright guys, I am back. I've completed all of my makeup, so this is the final look of everything, and I have to say, I'm pleasantly surprised by this foundation. You know me, I normally like a full coverage one. This is not, more of a high medium is what I would say. But in looking at this, it looks so good on my skin. Yes, it's creasing a little bit in here. Forehead has calmed down now. I did go back over it with a dry sponge and just kind of quickly press everything in after I put on my setting spray. But I think it just gives my skin a beautiful your skin, but better. It doesn't look cakey like it started to with the sponge. Everything's just really settled down and blended in really well together. So this is another one, and I love the shade match. I think that's just perfect for me. Absolutely perfect. So it's a keeper. I do recommend that you get it. Again, it's good for all skin types, so no matter what you got, you should be able to find your shade, and it's going to look good on you too. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, or if you're new, now's the time. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. That way you're going to be notified when I upload new videos. It's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thursday, I always do a Battle of the Foundation, so go check out my playlist if you haven't done that. I've got just one that has all of the foundation reviews I've done. I have drugstore, and then I also have a high-end one. So this would be considered high-end. So. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, too, if you could. But you can't, only one. That does help me out with YouTube. Plus, it lets me know that you guys enjoy these types of videos. And of course, I love hearing from you guys. Sorry I'm so far behind in responding to any comments anybody's made. It's just been a hectic life for the last couple of months now. So I'm lucky I'm even getting any filming done. So anyway, I love hearing them. I do read the comments, so please don't think I don't. I just don't have the time to sit down and comment like I used to do now that I'm back working again. Okay, I think that wraps everything up. I want to thank you guys for watching. And as always, I love you all. Bye-bye.